In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a project in Asana. Copying a project is really useful when you have a workflow or template that you want to reuse without rebuilding everything from scratch. Maybe you run similar campaigns every month, or you manage repeating client work. Instead of manually recreating all the tasks, you can simply duplicate an existing project and then make small adjustments as needed. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic process so you know exactly where to click and what to look for. First, open Asana and navigate to the project you want to copy. Make sure you're on that project's main page, where you can see the project name at the top and the list or board of tasks below. At the very top of the screen, look for the project name in the header. Right beside the project name, you'll see a small arrow icon. This arrow opens the project's options menu. Move your cursor to the arrow next to the project name and click it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to managing that project. This is where Asana keeps actions like editing the project details, changing the view, or in our case, duplicating the project. In this drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Duplicate or Duplicate Project. The wording might vary slightly depending on your Asana version or workspace settings, but it will clearly mention duplication. Go ahead and click on Duplicate. When you click Duplicate, Asana will start the process of creating a copy of your project. In many setups, a small window or panel will appear, letting you choose what you want to include in the copy. For example, you may be able to select whether to copy tasks, assignees, due dates, custom fields, or descriptions. Take a moment to review these options and select the ones that make sense for your use case. If you're building a template, you might want to exclude specific dates or assignees so you can assign them later. After you've confirmed your options, Asana will generate the new project. It may take a few seconds if the original project is large. Once the copy is ready, you'll see it open in your workspace, usually with a name similar to the original, often with the word copy added. From here, you can rename the project, update any task details, and customize it for the new work. And that's all you need to do to copy a project in Asana.